Because I'm so far remote from our headquarters, I don't know. You know, I know that there's some people back there that are the same.
It's
So what you doing, Alan? Because we're moving the second head because we're looking for some reason why the head is.
Dude, we've already rebuilt the compressor. We're about ready to. We changed the
not
cranks,
holding the pump.
the connecting rods, pistons, everything.
So this one's got an unloader.
Except for this side of the.
I'm taking an unloader off right now.
I know what he's doing. Righty tighty lefty loosey, baby. Right? It's always at one time in my life.
My pressure switch on there. Get it tapped.
At one time in my life, I was trying to be a fireman. So that's what they teach the new in the academy for putting the hose on the fire hydrant. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, boys. Good to know.
I always repeat that to myself. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. What's the new name for these right here? They're not reeds anymore, they're called discus.
Oh, those are discus, yeah. And then the discharge is a puck.
Right, on the other side.
Yeah. Nothing? No, it's still not broken. I don't want to break the stab off because it has information on it. There it is. Hey, I just want to let you know if I break this, I know the rep.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey, no guy.
how white of you.
Now I gotta beat that out.
Where's the pin? See, this one's pretty clear. This one didn't have any oil. Oops, I'm sorry. Almost put in the wrong hole.
So we were looking for some sort of malfunction here, or something that was causing the reed not to seat, or the, what do you call it, the puck?
Yeah, this looks puck.
Everything looks like it's pretty good.
But it looks pretty clear.
A little piece of
No debris.
one's fingernail. Wouldn't that be funny? I mean, not funny, but strange. We found someone's finger here. Hey,
You first.
Yeah. All right. Anyone else want to look?
Well,
Yeah, it's just like what is it? Kentucky Fried Chicken. There's a.
so is it bad when you push on these things?
No, not at all. You want to do that.
Yeah.
You want to double check to see if there is rotation.
So it helps.
Because sometimes if there's a broken crank, and it'll just go all the way down.
Right.
Back up.
Exactly.
So that's a good indication of a slow.
So we know that we're, yeah, and that's what we've had that in the past. So those are working good. Hey buddy, how are you?
hey, Frankie.
Hey, how you doing?
You want to see the guts of this thing while you're here? It's like a car, isn't it?
Same freaking thing.
Yeah, you remember back in the day you had to hone the cylinders out on your car? You ever pulled ahead? These you can't hone them. You can hone them, but that's the right program. Why?
So when we come back, we're gonna torque it down.